Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add filter in Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. Okay, so what you first need to do is select any chart. So let's say I'll select this chart. So once I select it, you'll see the properties. Now here under setup, I want you to scroll down until you see filter. Okay, now we can add a filter by just clicking on the add filter icon. And now we have a different options. Of course, you can create your own filter. I'll do, for example, by purchase. Okay, I'll select this one. And there you go. We have filtered it by purchase. Okay, and as you can see, the date was set to the last 28 days. Excluding today, you can also set a custom date. For example, last 7 days, right? And you'll see the data changing accordingly. And it's really that easy and simple.